Kuwait. This is Kuwait. So very nice place. And see, really so amazing place and relaxing place. See this park? It's very nice park here. So you can walking here everywhere. And then see, there is a chair. You can bring your food and eat anything here. And then this side, you know how to walking here, exercising, walking like this. And yeah, especially when evening like this hours, 4 o'clock, 5 hours. So nice. See, it's very big place. And this side, there's chairs everywhere. There are chairs. There's chair like this, walking. So nice. You know, guys. Yeah, it's good. Very nice place. And then yeah, that's what today is third time when I visit here in this park, Al Shahid Park City. Yes. So very cool, very clean, and see, like Paris, it's cold and you know there's so much people here inside. Yes. There's so much plants here. There's too much flowers here. Yeah, see this. It's so nice. And there's more trees and trees here. See this side. So, okay, that's it for now. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video and see you next my vlog. Bye bye. Hey guys, welcome uli. Ayan, dito na kami sa ano. Ayan ang yung fountain. Ayan yung water. Maganda yan pag ano dayo. Pag gabi na siya ba, makita yung ilaw talaga niya. Yung kulay-kulay na ilaw, makikita yan. Yan, hi tayo ulit. Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog for today. Yan, dito na naman tayo ulit. Papunta tayo doon guys. So, ayan. Yan. Sobrang ganda. Ay, kung gusto mo palang pumasok dyan, may gate pala. Aquarium yan eh. Ano ba yan? Ano yung huwag dyan? Scientific ka? Ano nga tayo? Lalabas tayo doon sa isang kabilang building pala. Doon tayo. Ang ganda oh, tingnan mo oh. Dito tayo. ang ganda talaga dito mamasyal, no? Paghapon. May hagdanan doon, oh. Tingnan mo. Diba? Hindi, so tingnan mo, ang ganda, oh. Ayan, ayan! Sige, sige! Ayun, ang ganda. Ayan, guys. Bumaba na ako, prinsesa. Ayan. Alam nyo, guys, ito, ano to siya, eh. Talagang hagdanan to siya, guys, oh. Tingnan nyo. Ha? Sandali, Day, Day. Day, alam mo, Day, kung may program, pwede siya dyan. Tapos, tingnan mo guys, may stage doon, no? Tingnan nyo, may stage. Tapos, ito, oh, publisher to. Ito. Ayan. Ayan. Ano nga? Oh, dito, di ba ilalim? Parking to. Ano plan? Square Park? Restroom. Ayan, restroom. Ayan guys, oh. Ang ganda dito, akyatin. Paningot ko. Saan ba tayo magdadaan doon sa kabila? Iba talagang daanan doon. Doon sa kabila, iba yun. Dito, direct side to. Yan pala, ibang entrance dito. Kaya sabi pa lang na dalawa daw ditong park. Yung isa doon. Sino? Isa doon sa kabila. Ibang pala dito din. Lalabas pala tayo doon kung gusto mo sa kabila kaya yung guys nakita ko yung system ko kayo parang kwenta mo yung right doon yun maganda doon maganda din doon balik tayo dito banda o ikot tayo dyan dito yung nagaan eh kabila
Winter din, balik sa dito ah. Winter. Winter siya. Alas 4 na, madilim na.
Yung building na yan pala, iba yan. Kasi iba din park na sa loob yan.